FAAN confirms readiness for 2025 Hajj Airlift as Lagos Terminal undergoes major upgrade. Nigeria, set to begin massive pilgrimage operation as renovated terminal promises modern, safer, and more comfortable experience for thousands of pilgrims as Nigerian Muslims prepare to embark on the sacred pilgrimage to Mecca. The Federal Airports Authority of Nigeria, FAAN, has announced full operational readiness for the 2025 Hajj Airlift, set to commence on Friday, May 9, 2025. The statement comes following a comprehensive inspection of the Lagos Hajj terminal at the Murtala Muhammad International Airport, MMIA, which has undergone extensive refurbishment and modernization in anticipation of the annual spiritual exercise, a renewed Hajj terminal for a renewed experience. Speaking during a media tour of the terminal on Thursday, Adedayo Alale, terminal manager for pilgrims and cargo, expressed satisfaction with the upgrades carried out under the leadership of FAAN's managing director, Olubunmi Kuku. According to Alal, the transformation marks a milestone in FAAN's commitment to improving infrastructure and passenger experience. For the first time in years, we have a terminal that meets modern standards. The building has undergone total refurbishment, and now, under Mrs. Kuku's leadership, we are seeing what visionary female leadership can accomplish in the aviation sector, he said. The terminal is now equipped with state-of-the-art air conditioning systems, LED information displays, CCTV surveillance cameras, and automated screening and immigration machines. These upgrades are aimed at ensuring safety, efficiency, and comfort for thousands of Nigerian pilgrims, enhanced facilities, and pilgrim-centric design. The redesigned Hajj terminal has been tailored to the specific needs of Hajj travelers. Key features include dedicated male and female waiting halls, each with the capacity to accommodate 3,000 pilgrims, contactless processing systems to reduce physical interaction between staff and passengers, multilingual support teams, including translators fluent in Arabic, English, and local Nigerian languages such as Hausa, Yoruba, and Igbo, improved seating arrangements, restrooms, and prayer spaces to support religious observance, designated areas for airline staff and security personnel. This is more than an upgrade. It's a redesign with the Nigerian pilgrim in mind. We've incorporated feedback from past operations to ensure a seamless, dignified travel process, Alale noted. Strategic collaboration with airlines and FAAN confirmed close collaboration with the National Hajj Commission of Nigeria, NACON, and participating airlines to streamline the logistics of transporting pilgrims to Saudi Arabia. According to Alale, coordination among security agencies, customs, immigration, ground handlers, and medical teams has been fine-tuned ahead of the official airlift. This year, the Lagos Hajj terminal will serve pilgrims from Lagos, Osun, Oyo, Ogun, Edo states, and members of the Nigerian Armed Forces. FAAN emphasized that all stakeholders have been briefed on their roles and are working in alignment with national and international aviation protocols. AHCON confirms airlift begins May 9. In a related development, Hajia Fatima Usara, Assistant Director of Information and Publications at NHCON, announced that all arrangements for the 2025 pilgrimage have been finalized. We officially closed the Hajj registration portal on May 2, 2025, to enable proper planning and airlift logistics. Any fare deposits received beyond that date will be refunded, she stated in a press release on Wednesday. NACON's 36-member advance team, which departed Abuja on Monday night, arrived in Medina, Saudi Arabia on Tuesday morning to prepare for the arrival of Nigerian pilgrims. Their responsibilities include liaising with Saudi authorities, inspecting accommodations, and ensuring transport and feeding arrangements are in place. Pilgrims from Oyo State have already begun their journey, with many arriving in Lagos from Ibadan on Wednesday to await airlift. These early movements are designed to prevent congestion and ensure staggered boarding processes. A new standard for pilgrimage travel in Nigeria, FAAN's revamped terminal, is seen as part of a broader effort to modernize Nigeria's aviation infrastructure and restore confidence in the nation's air travel system. This is especially important for religious events like Hajj, which draw tens of thousands of passengers annually and require high-level planning, coordination, and care. Under the Hajj Development Levy Initiative, FAAN and NACON have committed to reinvesting portions of Hajj revenues into improving facilities and pilgrim services. This is about national pride and global reputation, said a senior FAAN official who wished to remain anonymous. When our citizens travel abroad, Especially for religious reasons, they should feel supported and respected from the moment they step into the terminal. Looking ahead, Hajj 2025 in numbers expected Nigerian pilgrims, over 60,000 Lagos terminal capacity, 6,000 plus pilgrims, combined hauls. Number of flights, more than 90 expected across all Nigerian airports, participating airlines, Max Air, Flynas, Airpeace, Asman Air airports of departure, Lagos, Abuja, Kano, Kaduna, Maiduguri, and others, with the 2025 Hajj pilgrimage just hours away from taking off. Nigerian authorities appear better prepared than in previous years, and early indicators suggest a smoother, more organized operation. For pilgrims, the journey to the holy cities of Mecca and Medina now begins not only with faith but with renewed confidence in Nigeria's air travel infrastructure. Want to become a travel content creator or launch your own channel? You don't need 1 million views or thousands of subscribers to start earning right away. If you're dreaming of sharing your travel stories and getting paid to do it, but don't know where to begin, let's chat. Book a one-on-one clarity call now and get paired with an experienced team lead to guide you every step of the way. Check the description box for the call purchase link.